Last video I cut my Claude Code bill in half with 5 skills. Then I paid attention to my context. Claude was doing real work, but half my tokens were me pasting SQL get output and stale docs into the chat. MCP servers fix that. 5 MCP servers I use in every session. Ranked by pane removed. Number 1 pulls a real browser demo. 1. Postgres. Query your database without ever leaving Claude. Today you run psql, you copy the CSV, you paste it into Claude. Claude reformats it into a table you can read. You change the where clause. Do it again, every time. The Postgres MCP server gives Claude direct read-only database access. You add 1 block to your MCP config, connection string plus the tables Claude can touch. Claude runs the query itself. Typed rows land in context. You stay on the problem. Copy-paste round trip, about 2,000 tokens per query. Direct MCP call, under 400, 5 times cheaper, and the results are actually trusted. Filesystem. 2. Filesystem, the fix for I can't read that folder. Claude Code locks you to the project root. You can't point it at a sibling repo. You can't read that scratch folder in your home directory. You can't review 3 services in one session. The Filesystem MCP server exposes additional routes you explicitly allow. Add the paths to your config, restart Claude, and one session can now review the API, the worker, and the Terraform in one conversation. No dramatic token story here. It unblocks workflows that were impossible before, which means it saves the entire session you would have abandoned. 3. GitHub. 3. GitHub. Pull requests, issues, reviews, all inside Claude. Your PR review workflow. Terminal for GH. Browser for the diff. Claude for the suggestions. 3 windows. You're pasting commit messages and review comments back and forth all day. The GitHub MCP server reads your repo through a personal access token. PRs, issues, comments, reviews, commits. Claude can pull a PR, analyze it, draft a review, and post it back. 1 window. 4 to 7 window switches per PR review becomes 0. Not a token story, a flow story. And flow is what keeps long sessions productive. Playwright. 4. Playwright. The one that makes Claude feel like a junior engineer who can actually test. Your app broke, you open DevTools, you click around, you paste the console error. Claude asks what the URL is, you answer. Claude asks what happens when you click, you explain, round trip after round trip. The Playwright MCP server lets Claude drive a real browser, navigate your running app, click buttons, read the DOM, take screenshots. You can literally say the checkout is broken, and Claude goes and confirms, then fixes it. A bug hunting cycle used to be 20 minutes of back and forth. With Playwright MCP, Claude investigates for 2 minutes and comes back with a diagnosis. The only reason it wasn't number 1 is pacing. 5. Save the sneakiest for last. 5. Context 7, the one that removes the quiet cost you didn't know about. Claude was trained months ago. Your libraries shipped last week. When you ask for code against Next.js 15, you often get 14 point something. Silent bugs. Hours of debugging code Claude wrote confidently wrong. Context 7 is an MCP server that injects current version-specific documentation into context on demand. You add use context 7 to your prompt, or let a skill fire it automatically. The next time Claude reaches for a library, it reads the real docs first. This one doesn't show up in your token counter. It shows up in the rewrites you don't have to do. For anyone shipping against modern frameworks, it might be the single most valuable MCP server on this list. Ranked by pane removed. 5. Filesystem unblocks multi-repo work. 4. GitHub kills window switching. 3. Postgres 5 times cheaper than copy-paste. 2. Context 7 prevents the wrong API bugs you won't notice till production. 1. Playwright, a real browser in Claude's hands. All 5 config snippets are linked below. Next one. 5 Claude Code subagents I actually run in parallel. Subscribe so you don't miss it.